Sometimes you will want to split data in one cell into two or more cells. You can do this easily by utilizing the Convert Text to Columns wizard. Highlight the column in which you wish to split the data. Click the Text to Columns button on the Data tab. Click the Limited if you have a comma or tab separating the data, or click Fix Widths to set the data separation at a specific size. Modifying fonts in Excel will allow you to emphasize titles and headings. To modify a font, select the cell or cells that you would like the font applied. On the font group on the Home tab, choose the font type, size, bold italics, underline, or color. In Excel, you can also apply specific formatting to a cell. To apply formatting to a cell or group of cells, select the cell or cells that will have the formatting. Click the dialog box arrow on the Alignment group of the Home tab. There are several tabs on this dialog box that allow you to modify properties of the cell or cells. Number, which allow for the display of different number types and decimal places. Alignment allows for the horizontal and vertical alignment of text. Wrap text, shrink text, merge cells, and the direction of the text. Font allows for control of font, font style, size, color, and additional features. Border, border styles and colors. Fill, cell fill colors and styles. Borders and colors can be added to cells manually or through the use of styles. To add borders manually, click the Borders drop-down menu on the Font group of the Home tab. Choose the appropriate border. To apply colors manually, click the Field drop-down menu on the Font group of the Home tab. Choose the appropriate color. To apply borders and colors using styles, click Cell Styles on the Home tab. To change the width of a column or the height of a row, click the Format button on the Cells group of the Home tab. Manually adjust the height and width by clicking Row Height or Column Width. To use Auto Fit, click Auto Fit Row Height or Auto Fit Column Width. To hide or unhide rows or columns, select the row or column you wish to hide or unhide. Click the Format button on the Cells group of the Home tab. Click Hide and Unhide. To merge cells, select the cells you want to merge and click the Merge and Center button on the Alignment group of the Home tab. The four choices for merging cells are Merge and Center, that combines the cell and centers the contents in the new, larger cell. Merge Across, combines the cells across columns without centering data. Merge Cells, combines the cells in a range without centering. Unmerge Cells, splits the cell that has been merged.